Algebra. There's no need to feel down. I said algebra. Pick yourself off the ground. I said algebra. Cause you're doing a new formula, and there's no need to be unhappy. Algebra. You can't factor complete the square. I said algebra. When you're short on your squares, you can be stuck there. Or you can try the quadratic formula. Negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. It has everything you need to find the x value. You can hang out with all the variables. Negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. You can quadratic it up. You can have a good variable. You can complete any equation. Algebra. Are you listening to me? I said algebra. Can you find the C? I said algebra. You can make real all your dreams, but you got to know this one thing. Algebra. In order to solve that quadratic, I said algebra. Put your point on the graph and just go there. To the Middle East. I'm sure you can do the quadratic formula. Negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. I have all the things you need to find the variable. You can hang out with all the squares. Negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. You can get the b. You can have multiple answers unless it's an imaginary or the square root is a 0. Young man, I was once in your shoes. I said, young man, I don't only know how to factor. I felt no man cared if I were alive. I felt the whole world was linear. That's when someone came up to me and said, young man, look at this cool formula. And there's a thing called the quadratic formula. It can start you back on your way. Negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. They have every variables for you meant to enjoy. You can hang out with all the x-intercepts. Quadratic formula. You'll find it at the quadratic formula. Algebra. There's no need to factor. Young man, set the equation equal to 0. Quadratic formula. You'll find it at the quadratic formula. Young man, do you understand? Young man, what is x? Quadratic formula. You'll find it at the quadratic formula. No man, young man, does it all by factoring. Young man, put your factors on the shelf. Quadratic formula.